Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Autodesk ReCap Pro 2025 free trial officially and safely from the Autodesk website. No cracks, no third-party sites, only the official Autodesk download method. Step 1. Go to Autodesk website. Open your browser and search for Autodesk ReCap Pro free trial, or directly visit autodesk.com/products/recap. Always make sure you're on the official Autodesk website to stay safe. Step 2. Sign in or create Autodesk account. To start the download, you'll need to sign in with your Autodesk account. If you don't have one, just click Create Account. It's free. Step 3. Click Free Trial. Once you're on the ReCap Pro page, click on the Free Trial button. Autodesk will take you to the trial download page. Select your operating system, Windows 10/11, and click Next. Click Download Now. Your Autodesk ReCap Pro 2025 installer will start downloading automatically. It's around 2 to 3 gigabytes in size, so wait until the download finishes. That's it. You've successfully downloaded Autodesk ReCap Pro 2025 free trial directly from Autodesk's official site. You can now install it later and start using it for 3D scanning and modeling. So this is how you can download Autodesk ReCap Pro 2025 free trial safely and legally. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free software tutorials. See you in the next video.